So it says I have 1 like. So I'm like, yay, who likes me? So don't mind the layout of this. I had to put it in this way so you can see the whole entire screen, or else you only see half. So I was on Facebook and I saw this little heart. So I was like, what's going on here? So I clicked on it and I start. And I was visiting a friend in this state, and Facebook used my location like it does with everything. So I clicked on the heart and it took me to get started. So I did that. And I went to settings so I can set up everything to see how this works. So it has you choosing how far you want the person you're dating to be away from you. I chose that and I hit save. And you have to choose whether you want a man. I chose a man and it turns purple. Hit save. And what age? I chose 28 to 40. Hit save. I guess not. And height, I don't know what's going on the right. I thought if I were to choose 6, I don't know what I did there. I don't know what the difference is. I think they're the same thing, but I chose 6'1" and then 6 on the other side. I don't know. And it has you choosing whether you want the man to have kids. I chose no kids for preference. Don't have kids. Hit save. Whatever you click on turns purple. That's how you know you've selected. Religion. I left this alone because I'm like, I don't care. I'm just testing this stuff out. So I left it unselected. No preference. Hit save. Then I went to general just to see what settings or options are there. And it's just your typical notification settings, privacy settings. And if you want to take a break from it, if you want to delete the app, you can do that as well. And then in the dating notification is where your likes and messages are at. You can either activate it or don't activate it. And privacy settings, you can block people here as well. Did I click on block people? Yes, I did. So when you block, where you block people, you go in there and it shows you who you have blocked and who you haven't blocked. Or not who you haven't blocked, but just who you've blocked. But yeah, you guys let me know if you are doing this and if it's working for you. And how is this different from Tinder? I don't know, but you just let me know. So just a privacy setting, tips, safety settings, and all that stuff I'm just checking out. I don't know why, but I'm just checking everything out here. And the terms and disclaimer about all that stuff, make sure you read it. I went there to see what they were doing with my information. And so I went back on there and it says that I had a like. And I'm like, yay, who likes me? Nobody. Just nobody. You have to match with someone in order for you to get likes and conversation from them, just like Tinder. So I started typing in names and it suggested people that I'm already following. My assumption was it suggests people based on my profile and my likes and whatever on my profile, but it doesn't. And it still says I have likes. So I clicked on it, still nothing. Conversation, still nothing. So if you have done this for a while, I don't know how long this been out. Let me know how it works. I don't know. Why don't I just message them on Messenger? I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.